Welcome to Explained by a C Student, where I aim to break down complex issues and systems from a C student's perspective. Let's get into it. Today we learn about the basics of Valorant, along with some tips to help you get good quick. Valorant is a popular multiplayer tactical first-person shooter developed and published by Riot Games, the same company behind League of Legends. In Valorant, two teams of 5 players compete against each other, with one team attacking and the other defending various objectives across different maps. But although that seems simple, it's anything but. Here are some tips for new players looking to get their first dink in Valorant. Game mechanics. Spend time getting comfortable with the basic mechanics of shooting, movement, and using abilities. Valorant has a unique blend of gunplay and character abilities, so understanding both aspects is crucial. Tutorial and practice range. Take advantage of the game's tutorial and practice range to familiarize yourself with different weapons, abilities, and movements. Practice shooting at stationary and moving targets to improve your aim, choosing your agent. In Valorant, each agent has a unique set of abilities that complement their playstyle and role within the team. These abilities are divided into 4 categories: signature ability, 2 basic abilities, and an ultimate ability. Understanding each agent's abilities and how they synergize with the rest of the team is essential for success in Valorant. By mastering the use of your agent's abilities and coordinating with your teammates, you can maximize your impact on the game and increase your chances of victory. Role in the team. Consider the role you want to play within your team, whether it's entry fragger, support, controller, or duelist. Choose an agent that fits your preferred role and learn how to maximize their impact on the game. Aim training. Utilize aim training maps or third-party aim trainers to improve your aim. Focus on precision and accuracy, as headshots are crucial for securing kills quickly. Crosshair placement. Pay attention to your crosshair placement while moving around the map. Keep it at head level and pre-aim common angles to give yourself an advantage in gunfights. Map layouts. Learn the layouts of different maps, including major landmarks, bomb sites, and common rotation routes. Understanding the map allows you to predict enemy movements and plan your strategies accordingly. Callouts. Familiarize yourself with callouts, which are specific names or labels for different areas of the map. Effective communication with your team relies on using consistent callouts to convey information quickly and accurately. Voice chat. Use voice chat to communicate with your teammates during matches. Call out enemy positions, share information, and coordinate strategies to maximize your team's effectiveness. Map pings. Valorant also features a ping system that allows you to communicate non-verbally with your team. Use pings to highlight enemy locations, indicate where you're planning to move, or request assistance. Streams and tutorials. Watch streams of high-level players and tutorials like this one or others on social media to learn from their gameplay and strategies. Pay attention to their decision-making, positioning, and ability usage to incorporate similar tactics into your own gameplay. Pro matches. Follow professional Valorant matches from the Valorant Champion League or others to observe how top teams and players approach the game. Analyze their teamwork, coordination, and individual skill to gain insights into effective strategies and tactics. Record your matches using built-in game features or third-party software. Reviewing your gameplay allows you to identify areas for improvement, such as positioning errors, aim inconsistency, or decision-making mistakes. Self-assessment. Take note of your strengths and weaknesses while reviewing your gameplay. Set specific goals for improvement and focus on practicing those aspects in future matches. Stay calm and positive. Maintain a positive mindset, even during challenging matches or when facing losses. Avoid tilting or getting frustrated, as it can affect your performance and decision-making negatively. Remember that it is just a game at the end of the day. Focus on improvement. Instead of dwelling on mistakes or setbacks, focus on learning from them and improving your skills. Every match, win or lose, is an opportunity to grow as a player. Consistent practice. Dedicate time to playing Valorant regularly to improve your skills and stay sharp. Practice different agents, maps, and strategies to broaden your understanding of the game and adapt to various situations. Warm-up routine. Before jumping into ranked matches or competitive play, warm up by playing a few games in the practice range or casual matches. This helps you get into the rhythm of gameplay and improves your reaction time. Have fun and enjoy the game. Remember that Valorant is ultimately a game, and it's meant to be enjoyed. Don't get too caught up in winning or losing, but instead focus on playing your best and having fun with your teammates. Positive experiences lead to better performance and long-term enjoyment of the game. By following these tips and dedicating time to practice and improve, you can get good at Valorant relatively quickly. And although these are core foundational tips, the way you apply them can pay off tenfold to get that money in the bank. I hope I've been able to help you understand something new from the perspective of a C student. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. I'd love to hear your feedback. Look out for the next video on Explained by a C student.